Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. Do not delay. Click the three-dot menu at the top right, then pick Settings. Once done, scroll or search for Appearance in the left pane so you can access font controls. Make sure to have a page open to preview changes. If you prefer keyboard navigation, use Alt+E then S to open settings faster. This gets you into the exact panel where font size and type options live, and prepares you for precise adjustments next. Now you change the visible size and the specific fonts. In Appearance, use the font size drop-down to choose a quick preset. Pick large or very large for immediate change. Then click Customize Fonts to set standard, serif, sans serif, and fixed width families, and input exact sizes for standard and minimum font size. Once you set a minimum font size, web pages that use tiny text become readable. Make sure to preview on several sites. This ensures legibility without breaking layouts. Finish by applying site-specific or global scaling. Use the zoom control for per site adjustments or set a default zoom percentage in settings to keep consistency. If font changes do not appear, clear the browser cache and restart Chrome. Corrupted caches can prevent updates. Also check extensions. Some override fonts via CSS. Disable them temporarily to test. If problems persist, reset Chrome settings to default to restore font behavior. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves stubborn display mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.